you know that electromagnetic waves is created as a result between electric field and magnetic field? Electromagnetic waves travels in a vacuum at a speed of 3 times 10 raised to the power of 8 meters per second. It is also do not require a medium to propagate like mechanical waves. Electromagnetic spectrum is a range of all electromagnetic waves arranged according to frequency and wavelength. Electromagnetic spectrum has two kinds, the non-ionizing and ionizing. Non-ionizing is a form of radiation with less energy than ionizing radiation, while ionizing radiation is a form of energy that acts by the removing electrons, atoms, or molecules from materials that includes air and water. Hey Kuya! Ano yun, Miss? Do you know that non-ionizing has 3 radiations? The radio wave, microwave, and infrared? Yes, I heard that radio wave has longest wavelength and has shortest frequency. It also travels easily through air. You're right. Well, the microwave has shorter wavelength than radio wave, but has greater energy. Go. Microwave, like the one used for cooking? That's right. But microwave is not only used for cooking. It is also applications are Wi-Fi and cell phone. Ganun ba, Miss? Sige. Alis na ako eh. May gagawin pa ako, Miss. Sige.
And lastly, did you know infrared is a type of electromagnetic radiation that is invisible to human eye but can detect as heat?
Uy! Si Jargo mo na tayo! Ay, kumusta? Di ba nag-review ka kahapon?
Oo, Gagi, hindi ka makatulog eh. Alam mo ba, ang saya nang nireview ko kagabi?
Ano ba yun?
Ano sa ionizing radiation?
Yung tatlo?
Oo, alam mo ba yung tatlong radiation?
Ano? Ano yan? Sabi mo, nakalimutan ka na eh.
Hindi ka talaga. Saan na ba kayo ionizing, no? Non-ionizing.
Non-ionizing pala.
Well, ako sa ionizing radiation. Meron siyang ultraviolet, X-ray, tapos gamma rays. Alam mo, ang gaganda ng mga ginagawa nun. Kunyari, for example, X-ray.
Ha, ito? X-ray? Ano ba?
Oo!
Yung gamma rays?
Gamma rays, ano siya? Diba si Bea, lagi siya pinapagalitan na sa cancer kasi kaka-makeup niya. Pwede siya magaling nun. Pwede siya matreat ng...
gamit yung radiation sa gamma rays?
Tama. For example pa yung X-ray. Kunyari, yun. Nahulog ka doon. Ay, hindi. Kunyari, for example, ayun si Kemji, nahulog dyan. Kasi andun si Kemji. Pag nahulog siya, may
tendency na masira yung buto niya. Gagawin na X-ray doon.
But this, X-ray is used for seeing image inside of our body. Kaya may kita yung bones niya kung nabali or hindi.
Kaya mga fracture.
Kaya ang gandang example niyan sa X-ray.
So, kung mahulog si MD ngayon, gagamit sila ng X-ray sa hospital.
Yeah. Katulad lang din ng gamma rays used for treating cancer patient. Ang ultraviolet, alam mo yung ultraviolet, diba?
Alam ko yan, favorite ko yan. Kasi mahilig ako sa sunscreen. Tulad, natalan! Yes. And ginagamitan natin ng sunscreen yung katawan natin to protect ourselves from UV radiations. Kasi UV radiations have 3 kinds, which is the UVA, UVB, and UVC! So, yun lang. Nakikinig ka na.
Oo,
dami ka na natutunan.
Ikaw din!
Sige,
Sige, bye-bye. Review ka na din,